Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my Ipsy bag. This is for the month of July, I believe, and I just got in the mail yesterday, so I'm dying to open this. So I'm just gonna jump right into it. So it's like a cute little blue bag. Ooh, this is pretty. It's kind of like metallic blue. This is the bag. Looks like mermaid almost. Really cute. So I'm gonna unzip this. Ooh. Okay. So the first thing is this Pure Heals by Nature Village Pore Clear Black Charcoal Peel Off Mask. This looks interesting. This is what it looks like. Looks interesting. I love masks, especially the black charcoal ones, because those really get down in your skin, so that would be fun to try. And if it smells. Not really. Oh, a little bit. It smells pretty good though. I'm excited to try that. So that's the first thing in the box. Second thing in here is a brush. This is so cute. It's a tapered blending brush by Elizabeth Mott. And it looks like this. It's like a light lavender brush. Really cute. Ooh, that's really soft. That's going to be perfect for the crease. I'm excited to try that. That is perfect because I need more brushes, makeup brushes, desperately. So that would be perfect. If I can get it back in this freaking thing. There we go. So that's the second thing. Got next is an NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. And it's just like a deep mauve-y, like pink color. It's really pretty. I'm excited to try that. Let's see if I can get a swatch of it. I've only tried one other soft matte lip cream, so I'm excited to try this because it looks like a pretty color. And they're very soft and velvety. So that's that. Just a deep, pretty pink mauve color. Okay. Next thing I'm noticing is a powder. Ooh. This is a banana setting powder. And I love me some banana setting powder. So this is by Bella Pear Cosmetics. Ooh, I don't think I've ever heard of that brand. And it's literally just a little banana translucent setting powder. That's what it looks like. You get a pretty decent amount. Like this will last a while. This is the back of it though. So that's that. So I'm excited to try this because I love me some setting powders, and that'll be perfect because I always need more. Okay. This is the Ico London Travel Size Skinny Liquid Eyeliner. I've never heard of this. But this is nice too because I'm running low on my eyeliner. I got so little. Look how cute. So that's that. Let's see the felt. Oh, that's the felt tip. So that's what that looks like. Let's see. Let's test it. Ooh, that's black. And I love me some black eyeliner. And that's all that was in here. So let me know if you like these type of videos, and I'll do more. I just started getting into this Ipsy, and so far I like it. This is only my second time doing it, but so far I like it. So yeah, if you want to see more videos like this, just let me know and I will do more. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.